guys, you're watching Cait Straight Up, and I am Caitlin, and today we are going to do something super fun. We are going to make pepperoni garlic bread pizza bagels. Yes, you heard correctly. We are going to make a typical pizza bagel, but we are going to add a little bit of garlic butter to make it taste like garlic bread. And really, just that one simple step makes it that much better. This recipe is super easy. It's so fun for like the weekend or a party or a birthday party or something, and you guys are gonna love it. So we're gonna start by gutting our bagels. I like to completely take out the center for two reasons. One, it kind of makes like a nice boat that I could put my ingredients in, but two, it's like a little bit less calories. I like to take out that little bit of extra bread because I feel, just a teeny bit better about myself. So then in this bowl, I have just a little bit of butter that I mixed with some minced garlic. You could buy like the pre-minced garlic and just mix it in with some butter, and then you're gonna actually butter the insides of your bagel. You could skip this step, of course, too, if you are not a garlic fan, or if you wanna like save some calories or just don't feel like it's necessary, then go ahead and skip it. But I actually think that this makes like the bagel like super moist. I hate that word, but super moist and fantastic. Like bagels need a little bit of like butter or cream cheese on them. I don't care what anyone says, even a pizza bagel. So after that, there's just a few simple ingredients because hey, pizza bagels are not that complicated. I like to preheat my oven to about 400 degrees at this time, and then I come through with a little bit of pizza sauce. I have a delicious pizza sauce recipe on my channel, but go ahead and make whatever you want to use as your pizza sauce. I actually do a variation of this recipe that I feel like one day my kids are gonna love, but so far she just eats, baby food, so not so much. But I do it with vodka sauce, which is really good also. But any sauce that you want to use, just go ahead and put it on your bagels. I'm gonna get them a little bit more saucy. I just didn't want to get sloppy. And then we'll move on to our cheese and pepperoni. So since we dug out the center of our bagels, we're gonna wanna spread our sauce out a little bit so it's nice and even. And that's why I like to lay tin foil down too, just as a fun tip, so that all this sauce and cheese that melts off don't burn, and it makes for a much better cleanup. So then we just need a little bit of some shredded mozzarella. I have that thick cut stuff from Target. I think it's Tillamook, really good. But just put it right on top. You can use any cheese if you want to. I mean, if you want to not use mozzarella, you want to try a little bit of provolone, whatever you're into. And last step before they go into our oven, we are going to place on some pepperoni. So I personally feel like 3 per bagel is appropriate, but go ahead and do whatever you want. I mean, there's really no way to do it wrong, so just lay out your pepperoni, and then we're putting them into our 400-degree oven until our cheese is melted and our sauce is bubbling and our bagels are nice and toasted, and then they're ready to devour. And once your cheese is melted and your sauce is bubbling, it is time to dig into these delicious garlic bread pizza bagels. They are so epic. You guys are gonna love them, and I think you just saw how easy they were. They couldn't be easier, and they taste so good. Make sure to subscribe to Cait Straight Up for more recipes like this one every Tuesday. Find me on Instagram, Cait Straight Up Cooking, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.